Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Instaplay Insta X3 Bluetooth speaker. There's an image of this speaker right on top. You can see it's a black colored speaker. Do we have any more information? There is surprisingly very little information on the box over here. There is little information here. Over here it's written that the output power is 10 watts, so it has two 5-watt speakers in it, and it has a 2000 mAh lithium battery along with it. That's more or less it. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. Okay, there's some information over here. It says premium 5-watt plus 5-watt speakers at two 5-watt speakers, up to 12 hours of playback time, built-in 3.5mm aux port, and this Bluetooth speaker also supports hands-free calling. There you go. This is what you find inside the box. First up, we have a instruction manual from Instaplay. This is the instruction manual for the Insta X3. More or less the same information as before is written over here as well, like 5-watt plus 5-watt, two 5-watt speakers, and 12 hours of playback time, and everything else that you want to know about the speaker, it's written in this particular manual, so you should read it at least once. There are a couple of cables in this particular packet. Let me just show them to you. So this is the micro USB charging cable. This is the cable that you use to charge this particular speaker, and this is the aux cable for when you want to connect this particular speaker manually to a headset. And finally, we have the Bluetooth speaker itself. This comes with a super compact form factor. This part has a matte black finish to it. There are two anti-skip stops over here. This makes it more or less stable. This can be used like a soundbar. This is basically a very compact soundbar. It has a bit of a weight to it. It feels a little heavy, but it's not. It weighs around 2 to 3 kilos. But overall has a compact form factor. If you drop it, this is not going to break or get scratched even. There are a couple of buttons over here. This is your plus minus volume rocker, along with a play pause button over here. This is your on off button along with an aux port, and this is your micro USB charging port. Anything else? This is it. This is what it looks like. I'm going to switch it on now. So you heard that. So now that this light is blinking, this basically means it's it has entered pairing mode. I'm going to connect it to my smartphone and test the music on it. So let's just do that. I'll go to Bluetooth settings page and look for a new device. I have this Insta X3 option. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click on pair. So you heard that tone, which basically means that we are now paired. I will play some music. You heard it. It sounds pretty good. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Instaplay Insta X3 Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.